Hi guys, today I want to show you how I remove my makeup using only coconut oil. So I like using this organic coconut oil, and I also use these organic cotton pads, and I'll also use a towel or face cloth. So I'll put links in the description to the cotton pads and the coconut oil that I like using. So essentially, to start, I'll take the coconut oil here, and it's going to be solid or hard whenever you get it, but I'll just dip the cotton pad into it, get kind of like a good amount on here. And then just take it like this, and you don't want to get it in your eye, but you can use the other side here that's a bit drier, moving it kind of up to take off the mascara, and you'll see it just comes off like that. Putting it all around the face. So a lot of natural soaps have an oil base, something like coconut oil will be at the base of the soap. So using coconut oil is completely okay for removing makeup. It's kind of like acting as a bit of a soap right now. So after doing this, we're going to rinse our face just to get rid of any other dirt or residue. Just making sure not to get any in your eye. So whenever the coconut oil is on your eye, just make sure to keep your eye closed. So by doing that, we've got all the makeup on these organic cotton pads, and these can actually be composted. So if you've got a compost, just throw them in the compost. And then I'm going to rinse my face and dab it off with the towel here, just getting rid of any of the residue that might be there. And then to keep my face moisturized, I'm gonna put some more coconut oil directly onto my face. So this is a great way just to keep your face moisturize, especially. Usually you'll remove makeup at night, so getting some extra moisture while you sleep is always really nice, so your skin can kind of soak that in. So the reason I like using coconut oil is that our skin is porous, and a lot of what we're putting onto our skin is actually getting absorbed into our bloodstream. So at least using something that's completely natural, completely organic, means that it's okay for this to be getting absorbed into your skin and also into your body in that way. So this is my taking off my makeup routine, makeup removal routine, I guess, and then it's good just to moisturize my hands with it afterwards too. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, and again, if you're interested in getting this coconut oil and the cotton pads, I'll have links for you guys in the description too. Oh, and another tip is, for the towel that I use, I always make sure that I'm using natural laundry detergent to wash the towel. Otherwise, if I'm putting it on my face and it's got harsh chemicals in it, I find I can get an allergic reaction. So I'll put a link to the laundry detergent that I use. I just use something that's really basic, doesn't have any sodium lauryl sulfates, because that's what's really harsh on your skin. It's the foaming agent that's in a lot of soaps. So just using the most natural soap as possible, and then using the organic coconut oil and organic cotton makeup removal pads. So thank you so much for watching, and I've got some other videos for you guys on my skincare tips, so make sure to check the description for all of those video suggestions too. And I'll talk to you guys later, and may you be happy, healthy,